Ever wonder what happens after the cameras stop rolling on a dating show? Um, but sometimes the story doesn't end there. Um, we've all seen the whirlwind romances and dramatic exits on shows like, but what about the singles who are still searching for their happily ever after? Recently, TLC experimented with a unique spinoff that mixed new faces with familiar cast members. It was a bold move, and one person truly stood out. Um, now she's back for another shot at love, and it's all unfolding on meet Elise Benson, hot. She's returning to our screens, this time with a long distance relationship with Joshua from Australia. Um, and after 5 months of online connection, she's ready to meet him in person. But Elise has been uh, down this road before, and she's understandably worried about repeating past mistakes. Uh, I wasn't surprised to see Elise cast on season 8 of it, um, her fiery personality and willingness to speak her mind during made her a standout. She's not afraid of confrontation, and that's exactly what fans love. Um, that it's certainly about the same data of the life and the balance of these ways, and felt different with many cast members seemingly there to support existing personalities. Uh, Elise broke the mold, venturing on a date with someone outside the universe. It proved she was genuinely looking for a connection, unlike some reality TV stars. Elise has the potential to become uh, a lasting face of the franchise. With veteran cast members branching out, TLC needs fresh faces to deliver compelling stories. Uh, Elise is definitely one to watch. All right. Um, I'm especially excited for another season of the series captures the critical early stages of a relationship when couples are deciding whether to take the leap towards engagement. Uh, it's thrilling, tense, and utterly addictive. Um, Speaking of leaps of faith, why did the fiance bring a ladder on his date? And I think it's like that um, because he heard she was on a different level. Don't miss the premiere of season 8 on December 7th at 8 p.m. Uh, ET. It's the perfect way to kick off the holiday season and get ready for a new year of drama and romance. And they with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.